Hi everyone, this is Battlefire44 from Tornado Tech, and today we're going to be talking about the settings feature of our price list tool. So let us head over to the settings page now. So suppose I wanted to change the price of these items. What I can do is I can increase my profit margin, so 10%. And as I increase the profit margins, as you would expect, our price displayed is going down and it's being updated in the price sheet. So if you go back, we see that all of the prices that we changed have updated. We could also set the prices manually by forcing a price. So for example, suppose we put 2000 here. That's going to manually force the price, and it's going to change the price displayed to the value we put here in column F. So if you go back to the prices, we see that those items for flowers have also updated. Suppose there are some specific items that you are currently not interested in buying. Let's head over to an expensive category using our Jump To tool, and let me show you how you can specify items that you don't currently want to buy. So let's head over to the specials category. So I'm going to click specials, and then I'm just going to click this. So if I look at the specials category, there's a bunch of expensive items here, and suppose I'm not interested in buying a casino pass. All I have to do is this tick box, I just have to check it off. And if I do that, it's going to change the 163 million to not buying. And if I go back to my price list and I scroll down, and if you look at the specials category and look at the casino pass item, it says currently not buying as we specified in the settings page. Next, suppose that there are certain categories that you don't want to at all trade. For example, suppose you don't want to trade the mist category for whatever reason. From the settings page, it's also possible to hide the mist category entirely. So let me go to the settings page. Let me go back to the top. Let me use the jump menu again to find the settings page. The green tick box here, right beside the category, I just need to check this tick box off. So let me do that. So as I do that, it's going to take the mist category and it's going to move it to this deleted category sheet temporarily for the time being, and it's going to move it from the price sheet. And as we would expect, the mist category is no longer here. It has actually been moved into the deleted category. But now suppose in the future you were interested in buying the mist category, all you need to do is go to settings, take the green tick box and check it on. As you do that, it's going to take the mist category from the deleted category sheet and move it back to the price sheet. So let's go to the price sheet, and we see that the mist category has moved back. So let's say you want to customize this price sheet further. If you scroll down a bit, you're going to see that we have a menu for themes. And in this menu, we have 3 categories. You can pick from a variety of colors, you can pick a different type of border, and you can also pick different types of font. So suppose I want to change the color of my price sheet from gray to something like blue. And it has now updated to blue. And let's make some other changes as well. So now we have changed the color, the border style, and font. So let's look at our new price sheet. So if we go to our new price sheet, we see that all those changes have been implemented, and we have a completely new theme for our price list. The last component of the settings page that I'm going to now talk about is this table, which keeps you informed about when market values and the lowest bazaar price for each category is being updated through the Torn API. So here you can see timestamps for each category and for both market value and the lowest bazaar price. And these are in Torn time. So if I go to Torn, in 24-hour time, it is 7:09, and today is June 27th. And if we go back to the price sheet and we look at this table, we see that the minimum bazaar price were recently updated. The bazaar price update faster than the market value for our price sheet. So this table keeps you informed about how up to date is your data, the market value and the lowest bazaar price from which we calculate the price displayed based on your profit settings. Today we talked about the settings page for the Tornado Tech price list tool. We went over how to set prices. We went over how to hide categories, select items that we are currently not buying, and change the theme of our price list by selecting from a variety of colors, various fonts, and also different border styles. If you have any questions for us, feel free to leave a comment down below, and also check the links in the description for more information.